Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is 3190. Find the minimum operation to make all the element divisible by 3. So here is given a vector nums, vector nums. So in one operation, either you can add or subtract from any element of a nums. So you just have to find the number of operation to make all the element divisible by 3. Okay. So here is given a vector. You have to do the operation, minimum number of operations, such that all the elements should be divisible by 3. Okay, let's do this. First you have to create the count, which will store the number of operation. Initially it is 0, and then you will traverse through the vector nums for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size, and then I plus plus. You have to check if nums of I modulo 3 is not equals to 0, then you just have to do the count plus plus. Okay, and if it is not, then you just have to do return count. Okay, let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine, and then let's submit this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.